Good morning, everyone. I, Ananya, with my co-host Nishkant, welcome you all to celebrate 75th Independence Day of our nation. On behalf of St. Paul's English Medium High School, Otnur, we wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Ananya, I think you are so excited today. Yes, of course. I am so excited to see the programs of Independence Day. Before starting our program, let us pay tribute to those who fought for our freedom. We should also not forget to salute our healthcare workers and rulers of our country who are fighting with COVID-19. Of course. Okay, Ananya. Without any late, we start our virtual celebrations of Independence Day. What are the programs we have today? Oh yes, we have prayer, flag hosting ceremony, message by MA of Utnur, dance by kids, and many more. Okay, let's watch.
All the children to kindly stand in attention position. School salute.
Patriotism through a song.
सबसे न्यारा गुलदस्ता हमारा
വന്ദനം എൻസരികൾ പാടുകയല്ലോ വന്ദേ മാതരം എൻ മൗനം നേരുകയല്ലോ അമ്മേ മംഗളം ഭാരതമിന്റെ ജീവസ്പന്ദമേ ഭാരതമിന്റെ പ്രാണമന്ത്രമേ ഭാരതമിന്റെ ജീവസ്പന്ദമേ ഭാരതമിന്റെ പ്രാണമന്ത്രമേ.
Message by our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Srinivas, MEO of Utnur.
Wish you 75th Independence Day of all St. Paul's School Utnur. I am MEO Utnur. ఇప్పటికీ 75 సంవత్సరాలు స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చింది. 75 సంవత్సరాలు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాయి. వీరందరికీ కూడా ఒక వాళ్ళ యొక్క త్యాగము, వాళ్ళ యొక్క పోరాటము, దేశభక్తుల యొక్క పోరాటం, త్యాగాన్ని మనం అందరం మర్చిపోకూడదు. ఈ విధంగా మీరు లైఫ్లో కూడా మీ లైఫ్ కోసం, దేశం కోసం, మీ అభివృద్ధి కోసం, మీ కుటుంబం అభివృద్ధి కోసం కూడా చాలా కష్టపడాలి. తర్వాత సాక్రిఫైస్ నేచర్ ఉండాలి, కష్టపడే తత్వం ఉండాలి. మంచి యూ విల్ బి గుడ్ సిటిజన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఇఫ్ యువర్ యాటిట్యూడ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దట్. ఆ విధంగా మనం మంచి వైఖరి, పాజిటివ్ వైఖరితోని వెళ్ళాలా. ఆ విధంగా వెళ్ళినట్లయితే మీ దేశానికి, మీ తల్లిదండ్రులకు, సెంట్ పాల్ స్కూల్కు మంచి పేరు తీసుకురావాలి. ఈ విధంగా నేను మీ అందరికి కూడా మరొకసారి 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు చెప్తూ, మరి నాకు కూడా ఒక చంద్రశేఖర్ ఆజాద్, భగత్ సింగ్, తర్వాత సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్ వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా నాకు చాలా ఇష్టమైన వారు. నేను చదివే టైంలో కూడా ఒక చంద్రశేఖర్ ఆజాద్ ఫోటోని ముందు వాళ్ళకు ఉంచేవాడిని. ఆయన నుంచి ఒక స్ఫూర్తి పొందేవాడిని. స్ఫూర్తి ఎలాంటి స్ఫూర్తి అంటే ఆయన ఫోటోలో ఒక ఛాలెంజింగ్ కనబడేది. ఛాలెంజింగ్ అంటే ఏదైనా సాధించాలి అనేటువంటిది కనబడేది. నేను ఆ విధంగా ఆచరించాను. మీరు కూడా మీకు నచ్చినటువంటి ఒక వ్యక్తి, ఒక ఆదర్శమైన వ్యక్తిని ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకుంటూ మీ యొక్క లైఫ్లో అతని యొక్క సుగుణాలు అన్నీ పొందుతూ మంచి భవిష్యత్తు కోసం కృషి చేసి మంచి పౌరులుగా కావాలి, మంచి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ సిటిజన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా కావాలని ఆశిస్తూ ఈ విధంగా మిమ్మల్ని ఆశీర్వదిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Dance by Race and Team on Check the India. Patriotism by Anjali.
Respected Father Tom Thomas, the correspondent of our school, Reverend Sister Dana, the principal of our school, loving teachers, beloved parents, and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this joyful occasion, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. India is an independent nation that gives us freedom to follow all our rights, including the right to education and right to speech. Almost 74 years ago, on 15th August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. Without our freedom fighters, gaining the independence against the British rule was quite impossible. For us, it was a beautiful gift of independent India. So, it is now our responsibility by doing pure deeds like keeping our environment clean and helping the people in need and respecting all the religions and maintaining all the rules and regulations of our constitution. We also pay our tribute to our army who are still protecting us from our enemies. Lastly, I would like to say the young generation is our future, wealth and strength of our country to fulfill the dreams of great leader. As a pure Indian, I would like to say freedom is in our minds, faith is in our words, pride is in our hearts, and great memories are in our souls. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Kalyani and team are here with patriotic mashup songs.
Reverend Sister Dana, loving teachers, parents, and to you, my dear students, a very warm good morning to everyone. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this auspicious occasion, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this remarkable day when we stand here with a smiling face and without any fear in mind, our thoughts first turn to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our freedom struggle, and the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifices for the freedom of our country. Therefore, on every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our independence, but we also pay tribute to those who fought for it, who laid a vision for our country, and who sacrificed themselves for it. Dear students, this day will not be just a day when we gather to hoist the flag and eat sweets. It should be kept in mind that the flag we fly is our head. We, as citizens of this country, should always keep alive the glory of past, present and future in every moment of this day. It's our responsibility to do our duty for the growth and development of our country. Keeping in mind the sacrifice of our ancestors, we should take an oath to build a better future for our motherland. Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Patriotic dance by Akash and team.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सा दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू गोल 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 का पानी हूँ मैं पानी की पी की तू खटास इंडिया
ठंडी ठंडी मटके की कुल्फी हूँ मैं कुल्फी की सौंधी तू मिठास इंडिया
मैं चाट तो चटकारा
मैं सीख तू लश्कारा
मैं दाल भात खिचड़ी
तू स्वाद का भंडारा
मैं मीनू इंडियन तो चटक टेस्ट इंडिया इंडिया आया माया 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 इंडिया
मैं हूँ मुझ में तू हो रे इंडिया माया 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 इंडिया माया 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 इंडिया
तुझ में मैं हूँ मुझ में तू
हो रे इंडिया माया 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 इंडिया.
Greetings and message by our sister principal.
On this 75th Independence Day, on behalf of St. Paul's School family, I would like to wish all of you a happy Independence Day. At the outset, I would express my heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty who has kept us safe during these pandemic times, and I wish and pray for His abundant blessings to protect us evermore. While we are celebrating this Independence Day, it insists a sense of love, respect, loyalty, justice and harmony towards our country among all Indians and reminds all of us our duties for our country. On this great occasion, we need to commemorate the immense contributions of our freedom fighters. Their selfless services has let us this kind of freedom where we are living in the country that is free India. Today, India has reached this milestone of success due to the tireless effort of many distinguished citizens including scientists, teachers, social workers, politicians, and all other officials of India. As a dutiful citizen of India, we should protect our freedom and take a pledge to uphold the unity and integrity of our country so that our country can move forward on the path of continuous progress and prosperity and a role model for the whole world. Jai Hind.
Let's conclude our celebrations with a national song by the staff of St. Paul's English Medium High School, Utnur.
Nishkant, how was the program? Did you enjoy? Yes, Ananya, I really enjoyed the program. It was so beautiful and colorful. I hope everyone's hearts and minds are erased with true patriotism. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.